Hi everybody. So today we're going to do the Sorbello stitch, and this is again, I'm using the burlap and a yarn on my plastic needles so you can really kind of see what's going on. So big sized everything here. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to come up and we're going to take just like a regular stitch here, and I'm going to come back down. Alright. And when we have that one done, we're going to kind of imagine it like a little box here, and we're going to come up at one of the corners, and then we're going to go over the stitch, and we're going to pull that in, making a loop, and we're going to do that. Oops, make sure to come on that side of the thing. So you have a loop that goes over that stitch, and then it comes back up over that. And then we're going to do the exact same loop again. It's going to go over the stitch and up over the working thread. And just going to pull them in a little bit tight so it makes kind of like, as you can see, like a little bit of a pretzel shape there. Yep. And then I'm going to drop back in the other corner of the box. I'm going to run back through, and voila, there you have the Sorbello stitch. And you can just keep running them along. You can do them individually, using them like as a filling, and I used it on my beautiful borders because it reminded me a little bit of like a flower drop. And I'll put a link up there to my beautiful border series where I used the Sorbello stitch. And well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and give the stitch a try if you haven't already. Alright, bye!